The Supreme Court today rebuked TMK leader and Tamil Nadu Minister Udhayanidhi Stalin over his remarks on Sanatana Dharma, telling him that you have abused your rights. You know what you have said. You should have realized the consequences. You're a minister, not a layman, is what was said in court today. We have my colleague Sam Daniel joining us to get us more on this. Sam, a big setback for Udhayanidhi Stalin.
Well, certainly very critical observations by the Supreme Court, and Udhayanidhi was asked if he knew what he had been talking about in terms of his comments on Sanatana Dharma, and his lawyer who represents him had said yes. And the petition is basically by Udhayanidhi Stalin, a minister in MK Stalin's cabinet, asking for quashing the multiple FIRs filed against him for his comments on Sanatana Dharma last year, saying that Sanatana Dharma is like a disease like malaria caused by mosquitoes, which ought to be eliminated. And it was this that had triggered a kind of harsh criticism across the country. And Udhayanidhi is now asking for quashing these FIRs. And FIRs have been filed in different states. And his lawyers also cited several rulings by the Supreme Court in the past, how they had clubbed FIRs under a particular police station jurisdiction, so that it will be easy for the accused person to tackle this in terms of fighting the case. And it was in this context the court had made those observations. His lawyers argue that going by past such rulings, these things have to be clubbed together so that his client Udhayanidhi need not have to go and appear in separate high courts across the country. And now the case has been adjourned. We'll have to wait and see how, what kind of an outcome or ruling would the Supreme Court give with respect to the prayer by Udhayanidhi.
The son of the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had said that Sanatana Dharma is against the idea of social justice and must be eradicated, comparing it to diseases like dengue and malaria, inviting sharp criticism like Sam pointed out. Sam, do stay with us for our next story as well. The core committee of the Tamil Nadu BJP is underway ahead of Prime Minister Modi's rally in Chennai this evening. Sources say the Sovereign Party's state chief Annamalai would give a report on the status of the alliance to the Prime Minister. No major parties have joined hands with the BJP after the AIADMK snapped ties. So we have Sam back with us. Sam, BJP has less than 3% of the vote share as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. So a big southern push with the Prime Minister expected to be in Tamil Nadu yet again. What all is on the agenda?
That's right, Divya. The Prime Minister is making his fourth visit ahead of polls to Tamil Nadu this year alone. And as we speak, the Tamil Nadu BJP is in a huddle at the party headquarters. We understand from sources that the Prime Minister had asked them for a report in terms of the status of the alliance talks with other parties in Tamil Nadu. Remember, the AIADMK had snapped ties with the BJP. And so far, no major parties have joined the NDA in Tamil Nadu. Only GK Vasan's TMC, that has a very little presence, they have confirmed to fight elections under NDA. But other parties like the PMK or late actor Vijay Gandhi's DMDK, the BJP is trying to woo them. But so far, they are also holding talks with the AIADMK. And indications are that these two parties may join hands with the AIADMK, with who they believe their prospects of winning could be brighter. Another smaller party, Pudhiya Tamilagam, is also holding talks with the AIADMK. So at the moment, the BJP in Tamil Nadu is still grappling with the exit of the AIADMK. Last week, when Prime Minister Modi was addressing public rallies in Tuticorin and Tirunelveli, he had invoked names of the AIADMK founder, M.G. Ramachandran, and his political heir Jayalalitha, although the party had snapped ties, and that was seen as extending an olive branch to the AIADMK. So at the moment, the BJP is still nurturing hopes that the AIADMK could come back, but the AIADMK has very strongly denied that speculation, saying that their decision is final and they will not come back to the AIADMK. This is also politically the first election for Edappadi Palaniswamy, the AIADMK chief, to lead the party for elections under his singular leadership. So all eyes, Divya, would be on what the Prime Minister would have to say politically as he would be addressing a public rally outside in Chennai later this evening.
All eyes on the Prime Minister's visit. Like Sam mentioned, this is his fourth visit before the Lok Sabha elections.